In this video, you'll learn how to change the lock screen PIN on your Google Pixel phone. This process involves navigating through the Settings app and updating your security preferences to enhance your device's protection. Begin by unlocking your Pixel phone and locating the Settings app on your home screen or app drawer. Once you have opened the Settings app, scroll down until you find the option labeled Security and Privacy. Tapping on this option will take you to the security settings where you can manage various lock options. Within the security and privacy menu, look for the section labeled Device Lock or Screen Lock. Tap on this to access the lock settings. At this point, you may be prompted to enter your current PIN. This step is crucial as it verifies your identity and ensures that only you can make changes to your lock settings. Once you've entered your current PIN, proceed to the next step. Now that you are the screen lock settings, tap on the option labeled Screen Lock. Here, you will see different lock methods available. If PIN is not already selected, choose it as your preferred method. You will need to enter your current PIN again to confirm your identity. This step allows you update your existing PIN while ensuring that you are authorized to make this change. After confirming your current PIN, you will be prompted to set a new PIN, enter your desired new PIN, and confirm it by typing it again in the designated field. It is important that both entries match exactly to ensure accuracy. Once you've confirmed your new PIN, tap on the option labeled Confirm or Save to apply the changes. Your lock screen will now be updated to use the new PIN. To verify that the new PIN is working correctly, lock your device and then unlock it using the new PIN. It is advisable to update your PIN regularly for enhanced security. Remember to keep your new PIN private to protect your personal data and ensure your device remains secure.